Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful pattern or motif, you can call it a granny motif with a difference, and this is called as diamond square or diamond flower, whatever you want you can name it, how it looks to you. So there is a center diamond created and a floret like leaf like structures created at the corners, and you can make it to any size you want. And small pieces make beautiful appliques on your wearables. I shall be back with the required number of chains to work the center motif. Before that, center motif is worked in a square and then the other rows are worked in rounds. For diamond square, chain 6, row 1, single crochet in the second chain from the hook, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So at the end of this row you will have 5 single crochets. So the center portion is worked in rows, and then we go about the granny square part. So repeat rows 2 till row 6. So chain 1 turn, single crochet in each of the single crochets, so 5 single crochets in each, so make totally 6 rows. I shall make the 6 rows and get back to you. I have completed the center square. Now chain 1 turn, make 2 single crochets in the first single crochet. This is going to be our first corner, and 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 single crochets, 1 in each, and in the last one 3 single crochets. And before this corner make 3 single crochet, 1 single crochet each. Then 1 single crochet, 3 single crochet in the corner stitch. So continue the round. I shall meet you at the beginning of this round. I have placed my last single crochet in the very first corner. Now slip stitch and join to the very first single crochet that we did here. Chain 14. This is 1 DC and chain 11. Now 1 double crochet in the center SC of the next corner. Chain 11, 1 double crochet in the center SC of the next corner, chain 11, 1 double crochet in the center SC of the next corner, chain 11, and I shall complete, get back to you. I've done the last chain 11. Now slip stitch to the third chain of the beginning 14 chains. So 1 2 3, pick up these 2 loops, chain 1 and make a single crochet in this very first stitch here, and make 15 single crochet in the chain 11 space. Make 15 single crochets under the chain 11 space. I shall also complete and get back to you. Now place single crochet in the next DC here. Repeat 15 SCs, single crochet on DC, 15 SCs, single crochet on DC, 15 SCs here. I shall meet you at the end of this round and beginning of the next round. I have completed this round. Now slip stitch to the first single crochet that you did on the DC and join. Now skip this first SC, 1 SC in each of the next 7 single crochets, Now in the next SC, the 8th SC, you place 3 single crochets. So we are making the corners here. Place 1 SC in each of the next 7 SCs and skip the SC on the DC. Again 7 SCs, 3 SC in the 8th. In every corner you make this repeat. I shall also complete and get back to you. I'm going to place 1 SC each in the next 7 SCs, skip the SC on the DC, 1 SC each on the next 7, 3 SC in the 8th, and continue. So completed the diamond square motif. This is how it looks. It makes a beautiful applique work and a very nice pattern when you work with other embellishments on this. Okay, thank you friends for watching this video. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you are notified of the new videos that we upload every other day. Please do like and share too. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day friends.